Ever wondered how devices communicate over the internet? How does your laptop know where to send information when you click on a link? Well, it all boils down to IP addresses and subnets. So what is an IP address? Imagine living in a world without addresses. You wouldn't know where to send letters or how to visit friends. The Internet Protocol Address, or IP address for short, is the Internet's way of locating computers. It's a unique string of numbers separated by periods that identifies each computer using the Internet Protocol to communicate over a network. Now consider a world with addresses, but no city limits, districts, or subdivisions. Things would still be pretty chaotic, right? That's where subnets come in. A subnet, or subnetwork, is a subdivision of an IP network. It allows a single network to be broken down into several smaller networks, making the overall network more manageable and efficient. So, how do these two concepts work together? Let's break it down. When you type a website's address into your browser, your computer sends a request to the website's IP address. This is like sending a letter to a friend's house address. The request travels through various networks, each one getting closer to the destination IP address. This is possible because of subnets, which help to organize the network and guide the request to the right place. But wait, there's more. IP addresses come in two versions: IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is the most widely used and is composed of 4 sets of numbers from 0 to 255. However, with the rapid growth of the internet, we are running out of unique IPv4 addresses. Enter IPv6, the newer version, which uses a combination of numbers and letters to create a seemingly limitless number of unique addresses. Subnets, on the other hand, have no versions. They are simply a way of dividing a network, regardless of whether the IP addresses are IPv4 or IPv6. So why should you care about IP addresses and subnets? Well, understanding these concepts is fundamental to understanding how the internet works. It's the basis for network design and troubleshooting. It's the foundation upon which all internet communication is built. In summary, an IP address is a unique identifier for a device on a network, and a subnet is a way of dividing that network into manageable chunks. These two concepts form the backbone of internet communication, guiding the flow of information from one device to another. Whether it's sending an email, streaming a video, or browsing a website, IP addresses and subnets are hard at work behind the scenes, ensuring your information gets where it needs to go. Remember, no matter how complex technology may seem, it all starts with the basics. And once you understand the basics, the rest becomes a whole lot easier. So next time you're online, remember the IP address and subnet, the unsung heroes of the internet.